Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. And today we are going to discuss about properties of addition. And in this topic we are going to discuss three properties of addition. And second one is addition by 10, 100 and 1000. The first property is the sum of two addends remains the same even if the order of addends is changed. To understand this property, here I am taking one simple example. 2 plus 1. And here 2 is addend 1 and 1 is addend 2. So if we add 2 plus 1, we get 3 as the answer. And 3 is sum. And if we add 1 plus 2 means the answer is 3. Here addend A1 is 1 and addend 2 is 2. Okay. If we compare these two, and here 2 is addend 1 but here 2 is addend 2 and 1 is addend 2 and here 1 is addend 1. So here we just change its order. First we write 2 then 1, but here we write 1 as first, 2 as second. Even if we change the order of the numbers, we get the same answer. And this is given in the first property. Okay. Example 1. 3560 plus 1205. This is addend 1. This is addend 2. The answer is 4765. So here we are changing its order. We write this here A1, this is A2. Here we are writing A2 as first and A1 as second, but we get the same answer. Okay. So the sum of two addends remains the same even if the order of the addends is changed. And second property, when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. That is, the answer is, okay. The answer is the number itself. For example, 3 plus 0 equal to 3 and 5 plus 0 equal to 5. So if we add 3 with 0, we get the number itself as the answer. 5 plus 0, so the number 5 as the answer. Example 1, 8916 plus 0 equal to 8916, same number. And 2, 7812 plus 0 equal to 7812, same number. Third one, 1300 plus 0 equal to 1300, same number. Okay. And third property, when 1 is added to any number, the sum is the successor of that number. Okay, we already know this concept. Here I am taking simple example 5. If we add 1 to this number, we get 6. This is the successor of 5. Okay. And for example 1, 3216 plus 1 equal to 3217. So this is the successor. And second one, 5069 plus 1 equal to 5070. Next number of 69 is 70. And third one, 3000 plus 1 equal to 3001. And next topic is addition by 10, 100 and 1000. When 10 is added to a number, the digit in the tens place of the number increases by 1. Here I am taking simple example 25 plus 10, that is equal to 25 plus 10 is 35. So here there is an increase in tens place value only. Here the tens place value is 2 and here the tens place value is 3. Example 1, 1378 plus 10 equal to 1388. So there is an increase in tens place value. Second one, 5263 plus 10 equal to 5273. So there is a increase in tens place value. And third one, 8413 plus 10 equal to 8423. There is a change in tens place value only. Okay. And second one, when 100 is added to a number, the digit in the hundreds place of the number increases by 1. Okay. Here I am taking one simple example. 500 plus 100 equal to 600. 500 plus 100 equal to 600. So there is a increase in hundreds place value. Okay. And the given examples are 3478 plus 100 equal to 3578. So there is an increase in hundreds place value. And problem 2, 7593 plus 100 equal to 7693. So increase in hundreds place value. And third one, 9145 plus 100 equal to 9245. So there is an increase in hundreds place value. And third one, when 1000 is added to a number, the digit in the thousands place of the number increases by 1. For example, 2000 plus 1000 equal to 3000. So there is a change in the thousands place value only. Okay. Example, 1325 plus 1000 equal to 2325. So change in thousands place value only. And second one, 3672 plus 1000 equal to 4672. So thousands place values increases by 1. Third one, 8527 plus 1000 equal to 9527. So there is an increase in 1 in thousands place value. Okay. And exercise 2.51, fill in the blanks using the properties of addition. A, 4218 plus 1. So the answer is 4219. So the answer is successor of the given number. B, 6781 plus dash equal to 6781. So then given number and the answer is same. So we have to add 0. And C, 4579 plus dash equal to 4580. And here 79 and here 80. So there is an increase in 1. So it is the successor of this number. So we have to add 1. D, 1572 plus 0. The answer is the number itself. 1572. E, 1500 plus 4000 equal to dash plus 1500. These two are same. So the answer is 4000. So here the order of the addends are changed. Okay. And second one, add the following. A, 5718 plus 10. So here we are adding 10. So the answer 5728. So tens place value increases by 1. B, 6587 plus 10. So here also tens place value increases by 1. So 6597. C, 7538 plus 1000. So here the thousands place value increases by 1. So 7 increase to 8. 8538. D, 3569 plus 100. So here hundreds place value is increased by 1. So 3669. E, 1496 plus 1000. So thousands place value increases by 1. So 1 changes to 2, 2496. And F, 4659 plus 100. So 100's place value increases by 1. So the answer is 4759. So my dear students, now we have discussed the properties of addition and addition by 10, 100 and 1000. You practice these problems very well. If you like this video, please share, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.